Introduction. Hello, all you ambitious individuals. Have you ever dreamed of earning an impressive $1,000 a day? Imagine if I told you it's possible all from the comfort of your own home. That's right, we're talking about the thrilling world of freelancing. Picture this: our friend Sam was once confined to a 9-to-5 job, but now he's his own boss, making more than he ever thought possible, all thanks to freelancing. So buckle up as we dive into the world of freelancing and discover how you can start earning big. What is freelancing? Let's break it down. Freelancing is essentially self-employment, where you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It's not a one-size-fits-all job. Freelancing offers a flexible landscape that allows you to take control of your work-life balance while potentially earning more than you might in a traditional job. From graphic design and content writing to programming and digital marketing, freelancing covers a wide range of skills and demand. The best part? You're not limited by location. Your clients can come from anywhere in the world. Freelancers can earn anywhere from a comfortable income working part-time to 6 figures annually. It all comes down to the value you provide and the skills you bring. Clearly, freelancing opens up endless opportunities to make a great living while enjoying the freedom to live life your way. How to choose your niche. Selecting your niche in freelancing is a mix of identifying your skills and recognizing market demand. Pinpointing high-paying niches involves self-awareness and a bit of market research. It's all about matching your core strengths with industries willing to pay top dollar for specialized skills. For instance, if you're tech-savvy, software development or cybersecurity could be lucrative. If storytelling is your thing, content creation or copywriting might be your goldmine. Similarly, if you're creatively inclined, graphic design or digital illustration could be a perfect fit. The trick is not just identifying niches, but also understanding market trends, demand, and positioning yourself to attract the right clients. Start by assessing your skills, researching the market, and aligning your offerings. Remember, your niche is your gateway to high earnings in freelancing. How to create a standout freelance profile. Your freelance profile is your digital storefront, business card, and first impression all in one. It's essential to make it count. Crafting a standout profile starts with showcasing your skills and experience. Be clear about your expertise and the services you offer. Don't hold back on your achievements. Let potential clients know about your successes. Including a professional portfolio is crucial. This is your chance to show, not just tell, what you can do. Include your best work and any projects that make you proud. If you're just starting out, create sample projects to demonstrate your abilities. Lastly, write a compelling bio. This is your chance to share your story, passion, and unique approach. Remember, clients aren't just hiring skills, they're hiring a person. A powerful profile is your first step toward attracting high-paying clients. How to market your skills effectively. Now it's time to market your skills effectively. But how? Let's dive into some strategies successful freelancers use. First, there's social media promotion. It's not about spamming, but about showcasing your expertise and building a community around your work. Networking may seem old school, but it works. Connecting with others in your field can lead to collaborations, referrals, and job offers. Then comes personal branding, which sets you apart from the competition. This isn't just about what you do, but who you are and what you stand for. Remember, marketing is key to getting noticed and attracting high-paying gigs. So get out there, show your skills, and let the opportunities come to you. How much should you charge? Pricing is one of the trickiest aspects of freelancing. It's a delicate balance between a rate that's competitive and one that reflects your worth. Start by researching what others in your niche charge and aim to set a rate that aligns with your skills and experience. But remember, freelancing isn't just about setting a price, it's about negotiation. This is where your communication skills come in. When negotiating, don't just focus on the price, highlight the value you bring, the quality of your work, and your reliability. Negotiation isn't about winning or losing, it's about reaching a middle ground where both sides feel valued. And remember, never undersell yourself. Negotiating your worth is key to making big bucks in freelancing. The importance of client relationships. Building strong, long-term relationships with your clients is essential for a steady income in freelancing. Delivering excellent work isn't just about completing a task, it's about exceeding expectations and building trust. This trust fosters long-term partnerships and can provide a consistent stream of projects. Remember, a satisfied client can be a repeat client, and there's nothing more rewarding than a client who keeps coming back. Strong client relationships are the backbone of a successful freelance business. Conclusion. There you have it, the roadmap to making $1,000 a day through freelancing. From understanding the landscape, identifying high-paying niches, and building a strong profile to nurturing lasting client relationships. So are you ready to start your freelancing journey? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Here's to your success.